These days, we are very much busy for earning money. We work really hard. We give all our efforts. We work hard from morning to night to be rich, to be wealthy, to earn a lot of money. But is this really possible for someone to be wealthy, to be rich, if he only runs after money? Um, I don't think so. Money will not come to you if you run after money. Rather, you have to attract money to you. Okay. uh, there is a way that uh, there is a way you can be a wealthy person very easily, uh, if you resort to that way. The way is to learn, uh, you know the hooks, I mean the skills. uh, there are plenty of skills out there for you to learn. If you earn money by resorting on these skills, then definitely you'll be able to earn uh, you know money that you want to earn. All right. People these days are very much busy to be prepared for a job which pays 50 to 60K salaries. Most of the students, those who graduate, or those who would like to settle in their life, they would like to join in a job which pays 50 to 60 or 70 or 80K salaries. My question is, why are you running after these sorts of job? uh, these 80K salaries, these 70K salaries will be enough for you to meet your needs, to meet your necessities? I don't think so. The situation is getting hard. The condition will be more tougher in future. Rather, what you have to do is to uh, you know rethink about your concept about earning money. Rather, try to have a plan in your mind that one day you would like to earn around 10 to 15 lakhs or 20 lakhs money every single month. This amount could be more bigger than 30 lakhs. There is a concept which says that before uh, enhancing your bank balance, try to enhance your brain balance. If you're not able to think a huge amount of money through your brain, then how would you uh, think about earning lots of money? No, don't run after job that pays only 50 to 60K salaries. Why are you giving all your efforts? Okay. For Oh, it's very much easy to say that that would be possible for you one day to earn lots of money. um, I'm giving you some shortcut ways, or some ways that you can start thinking about earning your brain balance by learning skills. There are plenty of skills that we need every single day to live our life. Okay, your duty would be from now on to uh, learn as many skills as possible. Whatever the skills that you would like to start with, or whatever the skills that you are comfortable with. That could be learning a language. These days I'm learning languages, so you can also start learning a language. That could be English, that could be Arabic, that could be French, German, Chinese, Spanish, whatever the language you love to start with. Try to go for any language skill. Apart from language, you can also learn some programming languages. Python would be better, or C++ would be better, R would be better. Okay, there are plenty of programming languages. If you learn, your possibility of earning money will be increased, and many windows will be open for you. Okay, learning a skill is just only a window of a house. So uh, if you learn, if you open one window, you will see that many windows will be opened for you. Your duty would be to learn skills, as many skills as possible.